So hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company, so he is going to share his experience.
Yeah, hi, I'm Vatsal. I joined the PySpiders Rajajinagar in the month of June, and I took the courses like data analysis and automation testing. And beginning I started Python. He started my trainer is sir, and my sir is teach me from basics level. It helped me a lot. When I came to institute, I came with zero knowledge. I don't have any technical skills, anything. But sir helped me, teach me basics level. It helped me so much. And later SQL is started. It is very well, and he also teach me from basics level. I get so much knowledge in SQL. And later data analysis courses started, and my trainer is Vijay sir, and he also teach me so many things. And when I ask doubts, he cleared me and lot. He also helped me a lot to get the knowledge in data analysis, and so many tasks also I done in data analysis. It helped me so much. And later I joined the Selenium course. My trainer is my Selenium trainer is Lakshmi sir, and Lakshmi sir is teach me some basic level, and I don't know Selenium, what is Selenium also. And he helped me to learn so much in Selenium, and I done so many scripts in Selenium also. Lakshmi sir only teaching me how to write scripts and so many.
So which are the activities help you to crack interviews?
I done boot camps and presentations. Day by day I will do boot camps and presentation, and it will help me to crack the interviews, and it will I get a confidence and courage to when facing interviews.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.